y'all, I'm Melissa, and today what we're going to do is we're going to play with the Lilac You A palette. I can open it up. Dun, dun, dun. And that's what it looks like. I'm going to do a little bit of a purpley look today, so pink and purples, obviously. And I have pulled out mostly Colourpop. I got a few things to interchange with some of the stuff that I don't have that's Colourpop. So it'll be affordable products, I think drugstore, and then Colourpop. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Alright, let me take off my glasses. And I don't know, some of y'all might be new here, and I'm blind. So if for some reason I'm holding the mirror too close to my face or something, I can't really see my screen a whole lot to see if I'm in focus, because right now I look like I'm out of focus to me. And so it takes me a little bit to be able to see, so just be forewarned if it's a little out of focus because my mirror is too close or something like that. I'm also got a new lens that I'm working with and trying to figure out exactly, you know, what's what. A couple of my videos, my hand where I go sideways and blend, it was focusing on my hand, so I'm just trying to work all the kinks out, is what I'm trying to say. Oh, wait. Alright, I'm going to put on a little Revolution Prime and Lock eye primer. I'm going to take a little bit of the NYX HD powder and just go over that a little bit just in case. I can't remember if it's sticky or not, too sticky or not, so I normally just do this when, if I try to blend, it keeps like skipping and keeps getting stuck. I'll put on a little bit of powder just as a base. Now I'm going to go in with Ghostin' with my Colourpop E2. Alright, now I'm going to go in with Iffy right here at the top, and I'm going to just deepen my crease a little bit more with that. I'm going to take a little bit more of Ghostin' and just run along the edges of the Iffy shade. I'm just going to go for it and take this all over the lid. Wow, they gave me a ton of fallout going on. There's a lot of kickback in the pan too. I'm going to take Trainwreck right here, and I'm just going to put that on my inner corner of my lid. Now I'm going to go in with Cloud right here and put that on the inner corner of my lid. Right now, I'm going to leave it at that, and I'm going to get a cotton round and some micellar water and just clean out all this fallout I got going on. Alright, I'm going to put on the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer. Alright, now I'm taking the Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer, and I'm going to put that all over my face as well. And I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it out. Alright, first I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in C4, and I'm going to just do a little bit of spot concealing on a couple of spots. Alright, now I'm taking the Pretty Fresh Concealer, and it is in Fair 20N, and my Tinted Moisturizer was in Light 5N too, so if that makes any difference. And I'm going to blend that in with my beauty blender again. Alright, now I'm taking the NYX HD Finishing Powder in Banana, and I'm going to take that underneath my eyes to set my concealer. Now I'm taking the NYX HD Finishing Powder in Translucent, and I'm going to take that all over my face just to make sure it's set down before we go into bronzer. Now I'm taking the Revolution Mega Bronzer in 01 Cool, and I'm just going to bronze the perimeters of my face, my cheeks, my hairline. I'm going to go underneath the chin and down my neck. Now I'm going to take the Interstellar Pressed Powder Blush. Looks like this. And I'm just going to put that on my cheeks. And I'm going to go over my nose, the tip of my nose, because we want to look sun-kissed and sunburnt. Wouldn't be spring if we weren't sun-kissed and sunburnt. Alright, now I'm going to take the Colourpop highlighter in Lunch Money. I'm going to try to take my Colourpop F5 brush and put it on my face, but I might have to use my beauty blender if that doesn't work. We'll try this. Putting it down my nose a little bit, put it on the forehead. Now I'm going to go back into my powder brush and just go over everything, make sure it's well blended. Now going back into eyes, I'm going to take the Colourpop E10 and go into filter that we put all over the lid and just put that right up underneath my eye as close to the lash line as I can. I'm just going to run the brush that we used with the pink shade underneath my eye, just to make sure that's blended. Alright, and I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics 10 brush, the little pencil brush, and I'm going to go into Cloud that we took on the lid, the inner lid, and put that on the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to take the NYX On the Rise mascara and put it on my upper and lower lashes. And I'm going to do my brows real quick off camera because I have to be too close to the mirror to be able to do them on camera. So I'll be right back. Alright, brows are on, and I'm going to take the foundation off of my lips. And I picked out today, it's the Revlon Super Lustrous, but this is the Shine in Rum Raisin. I'm going to see how this looks with this look today. I don't think that looks horrible. It smells really good too. Alright, so now I'm going to just spray the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. Alright, and then take my handy fan and dry it, and once it starts drying, I'm gonna pounce it out with my beauty blender and just meld everything together. Alright, so this is the look. Hopefully you like it. If you did like it, click the like button for me. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, we would love to have you within our family. I greatly appreciate it. And if you'd like to ring the bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. I try to upload at least twice a week if I can. So I greatly appreciate y'all coming and hanging out with me, and I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.